Hi there, future nurse. Are you ready to level up your skills and confidence? This video is just the beginning. We have even more HESI practice tests and lessons waiting for you at allhealthcarecareers.com/YouTube. And the best part, it's completely free. So check it out and let's get you closer to passing your exams on the first try. Now let's get started.
Which word is the best option to fill in the blank? To blank should I send my money? A. Who. B. Whom. C. Whose. D. Whose. The correct answer is B. Whom. The word who is a subject pronoun, and the word whom is an object pronoun. In this sentence, the object pronoun is used. Which of the following sentences is imperative? A. Give the patient water with his medications. B. Did you give the patient water with his medications? C. You can give the patient water with his medications. D. Do you need to give the patient water with his medications? The correct answer is A. Give the patient water with his medications. An imperative sentence means to give a command. Sentence A is the only sentence that is a command. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? A. The boys ran to their dad as fast as they could run. B. The boys ran to their dad as fast as they could run. C. The boys ran to their dad. D. The boys did run to their dad. The correct answer is C. The boys ran to their dad. The word their indicates belonging to. The dad belongs to the boys. Their is a contraction of they are, and there is an adverb pointing to a place. In the following sentence, which word is a preposition? The girl stood on the log for a long time. A. Girl. B. Stood. C. Log. D. On. The correct answer is D. On. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or to introduce an object. In this sentence, on is the preposition. In the following sentence, which word is a verb? The cat ran as fast as he could after the ball. A. Cat. B. Ran. C. Fast. D. Ball. The correct answer is B. Ran. A verb describes an action. In the sentence, the word ran indicates the action of the cat. Select the best words for the blanks in the following sentence. The boy was blank excited to go to the pet store and buy blank fish. A. Two. B. Two. C. Two. D. Two. The correct answer is A. Two. Two means also. Two is a number. To means to go somewhere. The sentence could also read, the boy was also excited to go to the pet store and buy 2 fish. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? A. She had all green candies except for one. B. She had all green candies except for one. C. She had all green candies except for one. D. She had all green candies except for one. The correct answer is A. She had all green candies except for one. Except means including all but. The term except means to give consent. Read this sentence. She had all green candies to give consent for one. This sentence does not make sense. Reading the sentence as, her candy included all but one green one, makes a lot more sense. Select the best words for the blanks in the following sentence. The bird sings blank song each morning, and the man thinks blank a beautiful song. A. It's. B. It's. its. C, its. D, its. The correct answer is A, its. Its means belonging to. Its means it is. If one were to read the sentence, the bird sings its song each morning and the man thinks it is a beautiful song, the sentence makes sense. The song belongs to the bird. In the following sentence, which word is a noun? The dog jumped into the water to fetch the ball. A, dog. B, fetch. C, into. D, jumped. The correct answer is A, dog. A noun is a person, place, or thing. The nouns in the sentence are dog, water, and ball. However, only dog is listed as an option from which to choose. Select the word that is not used correctly in the following sentence. Braden sat among his two friends in the cafeteria. A, among. B, to. C, in. D, sat. The correct answer is A, among. Among should be changed to between. Among refers to three or more nouns. Braden would sit between his two friends, not among his friends, because there are only two friends. Which of the following sentences is a declarative sentence? A, sit down. B, please sit down. C, I sat down. D, did she sit down? The correct answer is C, I sat down. A declarative sentence is simply a statement. It is not a command. Option C is correct because it simply makes a statement. In the following sentence, which word is an adverb? The boy ran quickly to school. A, quickly. B, school. C, boy. D, ran. The correct answer is A, quickly. An adverb explains how a verb was done. In other words, how was something done? In the sentence, the boy ran, verb. How did the boy run? The boy ran quickly. Quickly is the adverb. In the following sentence, which word is a pronoun? He put on his hat to prevent his ears from getting cold. A, hat. B, cold. C, he. D, put. The correct answer is C, he. A pronoun can function alone. It refers to something or someone. In this sentence, he is the pronoun. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? A, she has more candy than me. B, she has more candy than we. C, she has lesser candy than I. D, she has lesser candy than me. The correct answer is A, she has more candy than me. The grammatically correct sentence here is, she has more candy than me. Lesser is not a proper term in grammar when comparing the number of items. Which word in the following sentence is a conjunction? Susan is on a new diet to help her lose weight, but she is not enjoying the diet. A, Susan. B, new. C, but. D, she. The correct answer is C, but. A conjunction is a word that joins together sentences, clauses, phrases, or words. The only conjunction in the above sentence is but. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? A, before I go to sleep, I laid my cell phone on my nightstand. B, before I went to sleep, I lay my cell phone on my nightstand. C, before I go to sleep, I will lie my cell phone on my nightstand. D, before I go to sleep, I will lay my cell phone on my nightstand. The correct answer is D. Before I go to sleep, I will lay my cell phone on my nightstand. Lay indicates putting something down. In this example, the cell phone is being put down onto the nightstand. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? A, the woman did drank her coffee. B. The woman drunk her coffee. C. The woman drank her coffee. D. The woman did drunk her coffee. The correct answer is C. The woman drank her coffee. Drank is a verb that follows the subject and precedes the noun coffee. Drank is the correct past tense form to use in this sentence. Select the best punctuation mark for the blank in the following sentence. The man's wife wrote the following on a grocery list. Blank. Apples, bananas, and carrots. A. Dash. B. Colon. C. Semicolon. D. Period. The correct answer is B. Colon. The proper punctuation to use here is a colon. A colon introduces items in a list or a definition. The sentence should read, the man's wife wrote the following on a grocery list. Apples, bananas, and carrots. Which of the following sentences has correct subject-verb agreement? A. The boy who was wearing blue shoes is running quickly. B. The boy who is wearing blue shoes was running quickly. C. The boy who is wearing blue shoes is running quickly. D. The boy who was wearing blue shoes is running quickly. The correct answer is C. The boy who is wearing blue shoes is running quickly. The subject boy is singular, so it must agree with singular verbs. In sentence C, the singular subject boy correctly agrees with the verbs is wearing and is running, making it the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement. Select the best word for the blank in the following sentence. Florida has blank palm trees than Arkansas does. A. More. B. Fewest. C. Most. D. Lesser. The correct answer is A. More. The correct word to use here is more. More is the word in the sentence used to describe the countable noun palm trees.
Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was helpful. Click right here for more HESI practice test videos, or take your free HESI practice test right here.